dear children, welcome to our GK class. So before going to the topic, we will start our session with prayer. All of you close your eyes and start praying to thank God to give the wonderful opportunity for learning. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amardam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. So children, this class we are going to see about the topic adventure sports. Adventure sports involves extraordinary speed, great physical exertion, keen focus and exceptional bravery. So the adventure sports involves a high degree of risk. So one must be very cautious and take a proper safety measures to enjoy these sports. So there are many type of adventure sports are there. Here some of the most exciting and well known adventure sports are listed below. Okay, the first one, rock climbing. The activity in which the people climb up, down or across natural rock formations or a vertical rock wall is called rock climbing. It should be done with specialized climbing equipment. It also a great form of exercise. So what are the benefits of rock climbing? The first one, rock climbing builds confidence and also it improves hand, foot and eye coordination. Also rock climbing increases the strength, endurance and flexibility in our body, and also rock climbing enhances the problem solving skill. So these are the some of the benefits of rock climbing. So next one, parachuting. Parachuting is a method of transiting from a high point to earth with the aid of gravity. While descending downwards, the speed is controlled with the use of a parachute. So the parachute, after an umbrella shaped device on which people or things can float slowly and safely down to the ground from the great height. So the word parachute comes from the French word. The para means to protect and the chute means fall carefully. So the parachute package is called rig. It consists of backpack, harness and canopy. So backpack is a container in which the parachute is stored. Harness is a strapping on which the backpack is attached to the jumper. Okay, so the canopy is a fabric part of the parachute. So it's all are attached to the harness by the lines. So the canopy may be in the round shape or in a well like a jellyfish. Okay, so the backpack contains not only one but two parachutes. So the main parachute which is open normally and the reserve parachute which is open in a emergency situation. That means such as a when the main does not open or a tangle. Okay, so this is the diagram for the parachute. So the next one, paragliding. Paragliding is a sport in which the person wear a special structure like a parachute, jumps from a high place and it carry along by the wind before coming down to the earth. This special structure is called paraglider. So paraglider is a recreational and competitive adventure sports. So paraglider or lightweight, free flying and foot launched gliders. Okay, so despite not using an engine, paraglide can fly last many hours and cover many hundreds of kilometers. So the speed range of the paraglider is typically 20 to 75 km per hour. So the paraglider have a most resemble with the parachute, but the sports are very different. So the paraglider demands jumping from the high heels or to the sky in the air for the long hour. Okay, so it's totally different from the parachuting. Okay, the next one, Parasailing. Parasailing is a recreational activity where the person can glide through the air wearing an open parachute while being towed by a motorboat. So mainly two types of parasailing. One is terrestrial, the next one is aquatic. So terrestrial parasailing means over the land, and you can attach to the fast moving vehicles like jeep, truck or a car. Meanwhile, the aquatic way of parasailing means over the sea. Okay, over the sea means water. Okay, they attach to the motor boat. So what is the main difference between paragliding and para sliding? Means the paraglider are not attached to the vehicle, but parasails are usually attached to the motor boat. Okay. So what are the benefits of this paragliding and parasailing? So the great way of to build up the body strength, and also no more stress, extremely fun and forgettable experience, and also it build up the physical and mental health. Okay, these are the some of the benefits of paragliding and parasailing. So anyway, if you use paraglider or parasailer, you will feel like a bird. Okay. So this class we discussed about rock climbing, parachuting, paragliding and parasailing. So have you all clear about this, children? Very good. So your today's homework, write 2 points about paragliding and parasailing. Okay. So please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after the session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next session. Bye. Thank you.